Hello and welcome to today's daily science revision task, which is to produce a flashcard on the structure of the leaf. Right, the leaf is one of these things that comes up quite regularly and in a wide range of different questions. So if you can explain how the structure of the leaf works and how it's structured, then it will usually get you some marks in an exam. So it's worth remembering that green plants absorb light energy using chlorophyll in their leaves. They use it to react carbon dioxide and water to make sugar called glucose. The glucose is then used in respiration or converted into starch and stored. Oxygen is produced as a byproduct. This process is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the chemical change which happens in the leaves of green plants, right? It is the first step forward to making food, and all other life on Earth is kind of reliant on this process. So the light energy is absorbed by the chlorophyll. The absorbed energy is used to convert carbon dioxide from the air and water in the soil into glucose, and as we previously said, oxygen is released as a byproduct. So the structure of the leaf is very much a layered structure, and it's worth knowing the different layers, and when explaining it, always talk from the top to the bottom. So at the very top, you've got a waxy cuticle. The waxy cuticle is there to stop water from soaking into the leaf from the top. Underneath that, you've got a thin upper epidermal layer. That upper epidermis is thin to allow lots of light through. Underneath that, you've got a palisade layer. So the palisade cells have lots of chloroplasts in, as that's the layer that will get the most light, so carrying out photosynthesis. You've got a spongy mesophyll layer. So spongy mesophyll cells are rounded, so create large air spaces for gas diffusion. You've got phloems, which carry away glucose that's made in photosynthesis, and xylem that carry water up to the leaf, which is needed for photosynthesis. Whenever we're talking about the structure of the leaf, or any question about photosynthesis, always keep referring back to the equation carbon dioxide plus water goes to form glucose plus oxygen. The first stage is that light enters the upper part of the leaf, right? It's worth noting it needs to be in the red part of the spectrum. Chloroplasts in the palisade cells absorb this light energy. Water enters the leaf through the xylem, through transpiration. Carbon dioxide diffuses into the leaf through the stomata. Both water and carbon dioxide diffuse into the palisade cells, where photosynthesis occurs. The oxygen that is made during photosynthesis diffuses back out into the air spaces and out of the leaf. Glucose made in photosynthesis is transported away from the leaf in the phloem. Hopefully this video should have helped you complete your daily revision task. Please subscribe so you can keep up to date with other videos to help with your daily revision tasks. You can follow me on Facebook or follow me on Twitter to help you keep up to date.